Didn't see you there. I'm Alex. Oh, hey, I'm Claire. And I'm Carly. And today we'll be talking to you about the harmful effects of deforestation to the Amazon rainforest.
The Amazon rainforest is an essential biome to many of Earth's organisms. It is the world's largest rainforest, covering 2.72 million miles of South America, covering about 40% of the continent. It is estimated that the Amazon rainforest is home to over 390 billion individual trees, 2.5 million species of insects, and 10% of the known species in the entire world. The largest threat to the Amazon rainforest, along with other rainforests, is deforestation.
Wow, look at this beautiful, dense, green forest. What the Amazon rainforest should be. Ew, what is this ugly, sparse tree? Deforestation? Is that you?
Deforestation is the human-driven and natural loss of trees. Deforestation affects wildlife, ecosystems, weather patterns, and even the climate. Since the year 1978, the Amazon rainforest has lost 289,000 square miles of forest. The Amazon spreads across Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, and Guyana. And deforestation has occurred in not just a couple of these countries, but all of them, meaning deforestation is occurring in every region of the Amazon rainforest. The single biggest direct cause of tropical deforestation is conversion to cropland and pasture, where people grow crops and raise livestock in order to meet daily needs. Although subsistence activities have dominated agriculture-driven deforestation in the tropics to date, large-scale commercial activities are playing an increasingly significant role. In the Amazon, industrial-scale cattle ranching and soybean production for world markets are increasingly important causes of deforestation. Although tropical forests cover only about 7% of the Earth's dry land, they probably harbor about half of all species on Earth. Many species are so specialized to microhabitats within the forest that they can only be found in small areas. Their specialization makes them vulnerable to extinction. In addition to the species lost when an area is totally deforested, the plants and animals in the fragments of the forest that remain also become increasingly vulnerable, sometimes even committed to extinction. Not only does deforestation put organisms at harm, but it also puts the soil at risk. When an area is completely deforested for farming, the farmer typically burns the trees and vegetation to create a fertilizing layer of ash. After this slash and burn deforestation, the nutrient reservoir is lost, flooding and erosion rates are high, and soils often become unable to support crops in just a few years. If the area is then turned into cattle pasture, the ground may become compacted as well, slowing down or preventing forest recovery. In order to do our best to help prevent deforestation, this week we will be sticking to a plant-based diet and cut down on our consumption of meat-based and dairy products, as those are the reasons so many forests are being cut down. For those who find that unbearable, make sure you buy meat from companies who have a commitment to reducing deforestation.
You can start by hugging a tree. Start by planting trees. Look! Oh my god! Oh my god! Ah! Oh my god! Ah! When at home, recycle as much as possible.
Alright girls, here's your poem.
deforestation, and you join us in saving the rainforest.